Hi guys, I've got a challenge lock in the vise this evening. It's the note that came with it. It's pinned by Potti314 on 31st of July 2016, which is coincidentally my birthday. That's the bitting on the key with it. Key works almost normally, I'd say. It does feel a bit unusual, but it does work since the mechanism. Okay, so tension it on the pin side. Slimish hook. Start the back. Gently does it with challenge locks. False sets already. There you go, open on pin 1. Now it's a little bit unusual this, as it has these bolts in the bottom there, and are kind of intermingling with grub screws, so I'm kind of in two minds whether to get this, but I'll have a go and have a look at the pins. Right, then I'll put the key back in. Let's get the clip off. Snarled up here. Let's drive a pin and one. And a spring for that. Seems to be another spring in there. Okay, I'll come back to that. Let's look at the key pins first. So standard on pin 1. Serrated on 2. Standard on 3. Another serrated on 4. And another serrated on 5. The core has all sorts of weird and wonderful modifications. Countersinking on chamber 1, you've got threading on 2, 4 and 5. One on 2 looks slightly different, but can't quite remember. It's a sort of multiple counter mills on there, something. Okay, let's look at the driver pins. We've already got one out, which was a kind of, looks like a kind of old style milk kind of thing. Bit of a spool in there. Real hybrid pin. So sort of chess piece on pin 2. A commercial spool on 3. We've got a kind of, that's very nice, sorts of serrations on that. That looks like a commercial one, but that's handmade, that's very well done. And another kind of spool come serrated on 5. Now I have to be careful with the springs because it appeared that chamber 1 had 2 springs in it, so try and get them, tweak them out. It's not going to be easy. Okay, so pin, chamber 2 seems to have just the one. This does 3. Yes, 4 and 5 have the same. I guess those are the standard springs that came with the lot. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that on the camera. All of the chambers are threaded, hence the modifications on the bottom here. So yeah, a lot of work's gone into that. Look, it's very nice, really good looking pins there.